Hello and welcome to Larissa's Kitchen. Today I'm making a candy that was featured on a friend's YouTube channel that no longer exists today, although I'm still in touch with the creator. Alicats Kitchen gave me permission to upload her triangle candy recipe here. She originally uploaded it as a Christmas episode, but I think it works perfect for Valentine's Day as well. So let's see what we're gonna need. To be transparent, we're making chocolate flavored candy, not chocolate candy, so we'll be using dark chocolate candy melts for our center. That's getting melted with butter and then mixed with egg yolk, sugar, almond meal, sliced almonds, and dried fruit. Allie used dried figs, but I'm using dried tar-pitted cherries. The first time I made this though, I completely forgot the fruit and it tasted wonderful. So if you don't like fruit in your chocolate, just omit this. Once we've got our triangle candy formed, we'll be coating it all with white candy melts mixed with a little more butter and topping it all with more toasted almonds. First up, we need to start by melting our dark chocolate and our butter together. Now I'll be doing that in the top of a double boiler, although you could do that in the microwave as well. This tube should be about the final size of your triangle because we're not going to be able to make the triangle any smaller. That's going in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes or until it's just able to hold its shape. We want it to be pliable still so we can form it into the triangle. That triangle is going back in the refrigerator for about 40 minutes or until it's completely firm. While that firms up, we can melt our white candy melts and butter. Yes, this is a messy process, but this will get folded up and coated and look fine. That's all going back in the refrigerator for at least another 40 minutes, or for everything to firm up. Allie originally decorated her triangle candy with dark chocolate candy melts and silver dragées. Because it's Valentine's Day, I'll be using red candy melts. I know this is delicious because I've had it before, and my son just walked off with a piece and told me there was no need to cut the rest. Let's give this a taste. It reminds me a bit of a Toblerone bar. I love the almond in here. Wonderful. Thank you for visiting Larissa's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.